Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. The markets are down a little bit today. The Dow is down about 56 points. The S&P is down 3. NASDAQ is down about 4. Now, one of the reasons for this drop, well, about an hour ago, we got two big reports on the housing market, and now, first, let's take a look here at housing starts. According to the Census Bureau, there were about 1.2 million starts on privately owned housing in December. That's this blue line here. You can see the number there. Now, that is actually an 8.2% drop from November's number, which in itself had to be revised downward. And this is also 6% lower from 1 year ago. And when you look at the starts for single-family homes, which is the red line here, that drop was even bigger, 11% down from November. Now, this falls in line with what we told you about yesterday. That was when the NAHB released its housing market index. This is based on a survey that asks about market conditions for the sale of new homes now and in 6 months. It's kind of a sentiment index, how people feel about the market. And the fact that this number actually dropped in the same month as when housing starts dropped, well, it's not a trend, but it's worth keeping tracking of. Of course, we should also note that weather has been a big factor too. We have 3 major hurricanes and that bomb cyclone, and things like that can kind of slow you down. And that's why a lot of people are looking at this number, building permits. Now, things are looking a bit better here. Now, for all privately owned housing, the number is actually 1.3 million, and that's down slightly from November, but up almost 3% from 1 year ago. And the jump is even higher for single-family homes. You can see here, 881,000 authorizations in December. That's nearly 2% higher than November and 7.8% higher from 1 year ago. And you can guess that for the rest of the day, you're going to be hearing much more about this permit number than those actually starts, because this is actually a look into the future. Now, that's it for now. Thank you so very much for watching. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube. Check out our past reports on realinvestmentnews.com. I'm Mike O'Neill, and we will see you in a couple of hours.